If LibreOffice is showing the error creating object message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to saving your document normally. This issue is especially common when you're working from a network drive, a shared server like Samba or NAS, or even a cloud-synced folder. The good news is that in many cases, the problem can be fixed in just a few minutes. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, let's try the most common solution. Open LibreOffice and go up to Tools, then choose Options. In the Options window, look at the left panel and expand Load and Save, then click General. On this screen, find the setting that says Always Create Backup Copy. If that box is checked, uncheck it. This setting can sometimes interfere with saving files, especially when the document is stored on a network location or a synced folder. After unchecking it, click Apply. Then try saving your file again. In many cases, that alone is enough to stop the error. If the problem is still there, the next best step is to save the document locally. This is a great emergency workaround if your file is already open and you don't want to lose your changes. Go to File, then choose Save As. Instead of saving back to your network drive or cloud folder, pick a local location like your desktop or your Documents folder on the computer itself. Avoid choosing a shared or synced folder for this step. To make sure it saves as a fresh copy, give the file a slightly different name and then click Save. This often bypasses the issue completely and lets you keep working without interruption. Once the file is safely saved locally, you can later move it back if needed. If LibreOffice still throws the same error, the next thing to check is the temporary file path. A corrupted or incorrect temp path can break the directory routing LibreOffice needs to create temporary objects while saving. To fix this, go back to Tools, then Options, then open LibreOffice and click Paths. In the list, look for temporary files. Make sure the folder listed there actually exists on your computer and that your user account has permission to write to it. If the path is blank or if it points to a folder that no longer exists, reset it to your default local system temp folder. On most computers, LibreOffice should be able to use a normal local temp directory without any issues. After updating the path, apply the changes and test the save again. If the folder permissions were the problem, this should clear things up. One more important tip: if you are editing files directly from a network share, cloud folder, or external synced location, try copying the file to your local drive first before editing. LibreOffice tends to work much more reliably when the document is stored locally, especially if the error appears repeatedly. Then once your changes are done, you can copy the final version back to the shared location. So to recap, the best fixes are to disable Always Create Backup Copy, save the file locally with Save As, and check your temporary file path in LibreOffice settings. These steps solve the error creating object issue in most cases without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.